Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad today talking about crypto because we're getting a bit of a correction. Crypto prices are coming back down a little bit and it is a good time to talk about it. So this purple rectangle you see on your screen right here is what I like to call the buy zone, right? We're going from 29 or so to 37, almost 38. This is when Bitcoin hits that certain rectangle, I'm buying. That is when I place some orders to buy. Now, this is a short-term solution to a long-term problem. That long-term problem being, you probably don't have enough Bitcoin. Short-term solution is whenever it hits this, you're buying. The only problem with this is, in a couple years, this will be irrelevant. It won't have any use to us whatsoever because Bitcoin could be, $70,000 and never fall below 60,000 ever again, right? Then we'll have to create a new rectangle. So until that day comes, this is a solid guide. Anytime it's below that 37, 38 mark, set some buy orders, get some cheap Bitcoin in. But besides that, you can just wait it out. So that's Bitcoin. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum buy zone obviously from 2,500 to 1,600. We're nowhere near that price. However, you are seeing a correction from 35 or so to the price of 32 right now. So Bitcoin and Ethereum down about 10% from the monthly high. Not too bad. However, the altcoins are down more than others, right? Let's check Solana. Solana down from 143 now to 111, down 30 bucks just in the past couple days. You can see this RSI and MACD are starting to turn from overbought to now regular territory. Not much of a pattern I'd like to draw with Solana. It's still in its early stages as a cryptocurrency, I like to believe. So I don't know where it could be in the next couple years. It could be non-existent or it could be as big as Ethereum. I don't want to draw any conclusions that I'm not confident in, so I'm not going to be drawing a chart around Solana. It is one that is questionable in terms of an investment because it's not Ethereum, right? That's Ethereum's your biggest competitor. So consider that. Lastly, I'm going to check out Chainlink just because it's in that buy zone, right? Chainlink was one of my favorite coins to trade. I have been not really dealing with it lately. I got quite a bit of shares at 11.70, 13 and stuff. So I made a nice solid chunk of change on Chainlink. And it might be time to get back in. It's always been in this purple zone, under 1750 or so is in that purple zone. Right now we're at 15 or so. I could start buying in, just start averaging down. That's usually what I like to do with Chainlink. What you don't want is something that starts falling and continues to fall with no end in sight. A good example of this is Sushi Swap. I guess it'd be Sushi USD. So you can see Sushi Swap hit a high of 23 back last year around this time. Since then, we've seen prices go from 23 to 6 to 15 to 5 to 10 to 280 to 5 down back to 3. So what we're seeing is prices go up to 275, right? You can see that $4 was a solid floor, right? $4 right here. Not much support in the past, but just it was trading around that range for quite a while. Then it just tried to recover a little bit, fell right back down from $4 to 270. It doesn't sound like much, but it's a large percentage. That's all you're thinking of is a percentage. Um, Something to avoid, right? Because you don't want to be buying at 270 only for next week for it to be 250, right? If you buy Chainlink at 15, and you know that range of 17 to 11, you could buy all the way down to 11, and it's very unlikely that it'll go past that. So that's what you're betting on with some types of cryptocurrencies. With others, you want to avoid them because you don't know the bottom. You can't find that out. There is no bottom yet. So I hope this helps in some way. Right, we're gonna check out Luna. That's another one that's pretty popular lately. You can see here, it's gone from 120 down to 93, 94 now. Not the worst performing crypto though, because we are coming off all-time highs, right? Luna, Terra, whatever you want to call it, has been strong. So I hope, the crypto market, we could see some better prices, because right now it's more buying than selling. However, not very much, right? You're not selling at these prices, but you are starting to buy once we see a bigger decline. Then the buying frenzy starts, and I get hungry. I want coins. So until that, we're just going to be watching crypto, maybe start averaging in a little bit, but not going crazy. I hope this video helps decipher where your mind is at in this space. I know it did for me. So as always, the advice is check the charts. The numbers, the charts don't lie. They can't just make up a random candlestick somewhere. Um, and have patience, but consider having the right patience, right? Holding Chainlink at 11 going to 15 is good, but holding Sushi Swap at $6 when it's now at 3, maybe reconsider that, right? Maybe you could put money elsewhere. That would do better than holding on to Sushi Swap, waiting for it to double so you could break even. Hope that makes sense. If it did, please drop the like button and hit the subscribe as well if you are not already subscribed to the Wealth Squad YouTube channel. I hope this video helped clarify some thoughts that you may have had in this current crypto market. Thanks for watching, and until Monday.